Hello students, I am Rupesh Chaudhary. Today we are going to learn class 4th English topic Nasruddin's aims. Let us start first summary of this story. Once Nasruddin bragged about his skills in archery that his arrow always hit the target. एक बार नसरुद्दीन धनुष बाण में अपनी निपुणता के बारे में बढ़ चढ़कर बातें कर रहा था। उसने अपने मित्रों से कहा कि उसका बाण हमेशा निशाने पर लगता है। One of his friends decided to test him and brought him a bow and some arrows. उसके एक मित्र ने उसे परखना चाहा और उसके लिए एक धनुष और कुछ बाण ले आया। When Nasruddin shot the arrow, he missed the target the first 2 times. जब नसरुद्दीन ने बाण चलाया तो वह पहली 2 बार अपना निशाना चूक गया। So his friend laughed at him. इसलिए उसके दोस्त उस पर हंसने लगे। But he cunningly defended himself by saying that he was just showing how Azad and the chief guard shot an arrow. लेकिन उसने बड़ी चतुराई से यह कहकर अपना बचाव कर दिया कि वह अभी केवल आज़ाद और प्रमुख पहरेदार की तीरंदाजी दिखा रहा था। But he was lucky the third time and his arrow hit right on the target. लेकिन तीसरी बार उसके भाग्य ने उसका साथ दिया और उसका तीर ठीक निशाने पर जा लगा। And everyone stared in surprise. He proudly announced that was his aim. जब सब लोग आश्चर्य से घूरने लगे, नसरुद्दीन ने विजयी भाव से कहा, यह मेरा निशाना था। Now let us see the Hindi translation of this story. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. एक दिन नसरुद्दीन अपने मित्रों के साथ गपशप कर रहा था। He began to boast, no one can match my skill in archery. उसने डींगे मारने शुरू किया, धनुष बाण चलाने में मेरे जितना कुशल कोई नहीं हो सकता। I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target. मैं बाण को धनुष पर रखता हूँ, लक्ष्य को साधता हूँ और बाण छोड़ देता हूँ। Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target. बाण निश्चित रूप से लक्ष्य को भेदता है। Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows. Then, pointing towards the target, he said, Aim at that target and shoot an arrow. यह सुनकर उसका एक मित्र तुरंत एक धनुष और कुछ बाण ले आया। वे नसरुद्दीन को देते हुए उसने कहा, यह लो नसरुद्दीन, यह धनुष और बाण लो। फिर लक्ष्य की ओर संकेत करते हुए वह बोला, उस लक्ष्य को साधो और बाण चलाओ। Nasruddin held a bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Ooh, the arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. His friends started laughing. They said, Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim? नसरुद्दीन ने धनुष को अपने हाथों में लिया, उसे ताना, लक्ष्य को साधा और बाण छोड़ा। बाण लक्ष्य पर नहीं लगा, इसकी बजाय वह बीच में ही कहीं गिर गया। सभी उसके मित्र हंसने लगे। उन्होंने कहा, अरे नसरुद्दीन, क्या यह तुम्हारा सर्वोत्तम लक्ष्य है? Oh no, not at all, said Nasruddin, defending himself. This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoot an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell in a little further from where it had fallen before. अरे नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, नसरुद्दीन अपना बचाव करते हुए बोला। यह मेरा लक्ष्य नहीं था, यह आज़ाद का लक्ष्य था। मैंने अभी तुम्हें यह दिखाया कि आज़ाद किस प्रकार बाण छोड़ता है। यह कहते हुए नसरुद्दीन ने एक और बाण उठाया। एक बार फिर धनुष चढ़ाया, लक्ष्य साधा और बाण छोड़ा। इस बार बाण जहाँ पहले गिरा था उससे थोड़ा और आगे गिरा। But it certainly didn't hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow? Of course not, argued Nasruddin. Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. Now somebody remarked, well, now who's next on the list? पर उसने निश्चित ही लक्ष्य को नहीं भेजा था। उन्होंने नसरुद्दीन से पूछा, और यह अवश्य तुम्हारे बाण चलाने का तरीका होगा। बिल्कुल नहीं, नसरुद्दीन ने बहस की। यहाँ तक कि यह लक्ष्य भी मेरा नहीं था, यह प्रमुख पहरेदार का लक्ष्य था। अब किसी ने कहा, तो फिर अब सूची में अगला नाम किसका है? Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. This arrow hit right on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in the amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." यह सुनकर सभी मित्र ठहाके मारकर हंसने लगे। नसरुद्दीन ने एक शब्द भी नहीं कहा। उसने चुपचाप एक और बाण निकाला और फिर से, और इस बार नसरुद्दीन वास्तव में भाग्यशाली निकला। बाण ठीक लक्ष्य पर ही लगा। सभी लोग नसरुद्दीन को टकटकी बांधकर देखने लगे। उनके मुंह आश्चर्य से खुले के खुले रह गए। इससे पहले कि कोई कुछ कहे, नसरुद्दीन विजयी या प्रफुल्लित भाव से या विजयी होकर बोल पड़ा, तुमने देखा, यह मेरा लक्ष्य था। Now let us see the questions answer. Reading is on page number 48. What did Nasruddin boast about? Answer is Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Question number 2. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Answer is Nasruddin did so because he didn't want to show his poor skills in archery to his friends. So he took someone else's name each time he missed the target. Question number 3. Why did Nasruddin say it was my aim the third time? Answer is Nasruddin said so because he hit the target successfully this time. So he said it was my aim. Question number 4. Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? Answer is no. Nasruddin was not good at archery because he missed the aim twice. Next exercise, word building, page number 50-51. Shoot the arrow and hit the target by matching the words with their correct meanings. Chatting, talking informally, amazement, great surprise. archery, shooting with bow and arrow, defending, protecting from attack, target, the goal intended to be hit, triumphantly, happily and proudly. Question number 3. Replace the bold words with a word from the where and rewrite the sentence. Question number 2. Replace the bold words with a word from the quiver and rewrite the sentence. In no time she hit the object she aimed at. Answer is, in no time she hit the target. Nasruddin was surely not a good archer. Answer, Nasruddin was certainly not a good archer. The teacher said something about his good handwriting. He felt very happy. Answer, the teacher remarked on his good handwriting. He felt very happy. Let's write page number 51, 53. This is picture of Rahul Gupta. Using the clues given, write a paragraph about him in your notebook. Clues: Indian cricket, 8 hours, practices, eats healthy food, runs 2 kilometers every day, batsman. Answer, Rahul Gupta is a famous Indian batsman. He works really hard. He runs 2 kilometers every day. He practices for 8 hours daily to maintain his position in the Indian cricket team. Question number 2. This is Rajiv's family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. To see the picture and to write the sentence. Father, mother, Sita, grandpa, grandma, Rajiv. Number 1. Father does weightlifting. Number 2. Mother does yoga. Third, Sita does skipping. Fourth, Grandpa goes for walking. Fifth, Grandma drinks milk. Sixth, Rajiv goes for jogging. Number 3. Use the words and or but and make as many sentences as you can about Rajiv's family. Example, Grandma and Grandpa get up early in the morning. Grandpa is walking but Rajiv is jogging. Answer, each member of Rajiv's family does exercise but in different ways. Number 2. Mother does yoga and father does push-ups. 3. Rajiv does jogging but Sita does skipping. 4th, Grandpa takes a walk and Grandma drinks milk. Let's play. Fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one word more than once. Stick, bat ball, play one, table, racket, ball, football, stadium, 2 or 4, ground. Name of the game. What you play with, where you play it, number of players. Number 1. Name of the game, cricket. What you play with, bat and ball. Where you play it, stadium. Number of players, 11. Name of the game, hockey. What you play with, stick and ball. Where you play it, stadium. Number of players, 11. Name of the play, name of the game, table tennis. What you play with, racket ball. Where you play it, table. Number of players, 2 or 4. Name of the game, football. What you play with, Football. Where you play it. Ground. Number of players 11. Question number 2. Using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. Cricket is an outdoor game which is played with a bat and a ball, and there are 11 players in this game. Answer. Hockey is played in a stadium. This game is played with the help of sticks. 11 players take part in this game. Number 2. Table tennis can be played by 2 or 4 players. It is played on a table. A racket and ball are used to play this game. 3. Football is played in a football ground. There are 11 players to make one team. For scoring in this game, the football has to be kicked through the goal post. Question number 3. The following words are used in various sports. List them under the sport that they are used in. A. Googly. B. Goal. C. LBW. D. Penalty. C. Free kick. F. Penalty corner. In this game, hockey, cricket, football to write the use of these words. Number 1. Hockey, goal and penalty corner. Cricket, googly, LBW. Football, penalty and free kick. Thank you, dear students.